Welcome back to another snack hack. Today we're going to show you one of our favorite recipes for people that need a quick fix for pickles that are healthy and clean. We use fridge pickles because we go through them so fast. And once I show you how easy it is to make these, you'll never go buy another one at the store. Okay. So we're going to do a few different types of pickling today. One is the more traditional dill pickle, and then we're actually going to pickle some mixed veggies and some asparagus at the request of my lovely wife. Okay, here we go. Here's what we're going to use today. All right, so we're going to use some of my good friend Jason at Pick and Pack's produce. Again, we've used their mini cucumbers in previous videos. They are top notch and the most consistent I've ever had, and they make amazing, amazing pickles. So we're going to use these today, and of course I picked up some dill from there, some nice asparagus. We got some of their nice sweet peppers, and we're going to use some garlic, and we've already got it peeled and ready to go. Some cauliflower, and I'm going to cut up a nice red onion over here. Red onion over there. Okay. All right. Okay, now that we've got these cut into spears, we're just going to take our dill, just take a piece of it like that and shove it right in the bottom, okay, as best you can anyway. And we like a lot of dill, so we do put quite a bit in the bottom of these. And you're also going to repeat it at the top. We're going to take 3 cloves of garlic, and in they go to the bottom as well too.